how to delete account bio history on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Instagram account using the mobile app. So after that, tap on your profile picture or icon in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. After that, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner. Then tap on the your activity inside it. After you tap on your activity, you can scroll down and tap on the account history. And in account history, you will get to see all the histories your account has made till now. So if you want to choose only bio section, then tap on the uh, update type option available in top slides. So you can see the update type, tap on it. Now tap on the bio and tap on the next, and here you will get to see the all history of bio. Now in order to delete them all altogether, you need to tap on the clear all option available in blue highlights in top right corner. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.